Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to do a build on the Monogram Classic Cruiser Series 56 Chevy Bel Air. This is a 124 scale kit, and it is kit number 850881. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and get everything opened up and put out on a bench here and see what we have. Be right back. Alright guys, that's it. Not a whole lot going on in this one. Four trees of white parts, some chrome, the glass, tires, body panels, interior bucket. Only thing left in the box is the decals and the instructions. So alrighty, you know the drill. I'll go ahead and get everything chopped off the trees and set into their respective components. Start talking about some color choices, get things in primer. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, just a few minutes later and all the parts are off the trees. I gotta tell you, so far I'm not impressed. This kit is very thin as far as the plastic goes. If you look right here, you can basically see my finger through the plastic, right? So it's real poor quality on this one. Not too bad of flashing that I've seen, but parts are real flimsy, you know. So hopefully this will just be a good, quick, easy build, and we'll move on from there. Alrighty guys, so this is the progress so far. We'll see how this one turns out. I have the chassis resprayed and the engine and a couple small details for the interior, and then I had to redo them because I wasn't happy with the way they came out. So, like I said earlier, this will be a quick one, and I hope you like the way it turns out. Heck, I hope I like the way it turns out, you know. Alrighty guys, be right back. Alrighty folks, here we go. Coming along nicely. I got all this glued in last night, let it sit and cure up. There's the wheels, body, there's the dashboard, nothing too fancy. I'm going to pick out a couple little details on that. Interior, and there's the engine. So hopefully next shot it'll all be together. Stay tuned. Alrighty folks, there it is. 56 Chevy Bel Air Monogram kit. I'm not all that impressed with the kit itself. It went together very easily. It was very basic, but I don't know. There's something about it. I'm not happy with the way the paint turned out. I felt it could be a lot better, but it is what it is, as they say. You know, there's wheels came out nice. The rear end looks okay. It's just a very basic kit, I guess. I can't really knock the manufacturer or anything, because it's just a basic kit. It's very entry level, and it says it's a. If you look at the box, it says it's a level 4 kit, and I would put it right around a 1 or a 2. But here it is. Got through it. There's the hood. Here's the interior, or the engine compartment, I mean. Could almost, let me go ahead and set you down real quick, guys. I'm working with a new camera here, so bear with me. I'll go ahead and take the hood off if I can. I just had it off. There we go. There we go. Here's a overhead view. You know, it's very basic, but it's decent, I guess. The paint just disappointed me. It's a Krylon royal blue or something like that, and I didn't like the way it sprayed out. Interior is pretty cool. Here's the bottom. Well, okay. I got to apparently put some glue on that wheel. So here's a. I don't know where I left off, guys. Here, I'm going to show you a view of the bottom, and then if the other part didn't come out, I'll have to redo that. There's the bottom. Come out decent. Here is the engine again. I like the wheels. They came out pretty sharp. Here's the rear end. Interior is pretty decent, but it's a very basic kit, and it says it's a level 4, but I would put it more at a 1 or a 2. But it's done, completed. It'll go on the shelf. I like it. That it's completed, I like, you know. So, alrighty, I'll have to go back and see how the video came out because the camera shut off on me. So I don't know if I caught the first part of the video. And I'll come back to you if I messed it up. I'll be right back. Alright, so there it is, folks. There is the Monogram 1956 Chevy Bel Air, part of the Classic Cruiser series. And this is how it turned out. Alrighty. I'll take the box off of there so you can see the other side. Kind of cool. I'm not real happy with the paint, as I will mention here in a minute. But it was a Rust-Oleum? No, it was not Rust-Oleum. I'm sorry, guys. It was a Krylon and gloss blue something or other. And it sprayed out real funny, and I wasn't happy with it. But, I mean, it is what it is. I'll go ahead and put it up on the shelf somewhere. So I thank you all so very much for stopping by. Please stay tuned for the next video, which will be a little something different. I hope to have that video out in a couple of days. But until then, feel free to go back through the channel and check out a different video. Alright, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate you all. Have yourselves a great day. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.